6 months on, and still no sighting of the duckling who, as you will remember from the photograph released at the time, has what can best be described as a rather unforgettable appearance. Now our experts believe that he may already have undergone certain changes, and they have put together a composite of what they believe he might look like today. Some viewers may find this image disturbing.
I'm sure he's still out there somewhere. So if anyone has seen him, please call in.
Yes, once again, viewers, we are appealing to you if you have any information. The number is coming up on your screen.
Mama, is there something you'd like to tell us, dear? Mama. Did you run away from home? No, There's only one thing to do. I'll call from the kitchen. Oh no, the old woman. Well, she wouldn't ring her own doorbell. Come in. Quacke, quacke. Oh no, what are you doing here? Thought I'd cook to my goose, eh? Is there any way to greet your long-lost father? Your father? Ugliness certainly runs in the family. He's not my father. Don't listen to him. He's overcome. Son, hug your papa. Your mother and I have been worried sick. Don't let him near me. Does he look like a duck? Now, dear. Folks who live in glass houses shouldn't call the kettle black. Or something like that. He's a cat. Children will have their fun. I'm sorry if he has caused you any inconvenience. And that you kept it all in one piece. Come along. Thank the nice Ponzi for looking after you. Light.
Ugly says he's a cat, I tell you.
He's a cat, I tell you. No good, sly, treacherous, hungry, double-crossing, conniving tomcat. It's no good. The line is busy. Well, hello! Mercy, another duck. What's the matter? Haven't you got a pond to go to? Meow! Shouldn't you be getting back? Didn't you say his mother was sick with worry? Meow. I told you he was a tomcat. A tomcat? Say, Queenie, we have an arrangement, remember? Oh, no. There'll be tears before bedtime. Fermi! Avanti! Madam, I'd be honored, though I'm not of your ilk, if we could be together, maybe share a dish of milk. Sir, I'll be delighted. Though it's true, you're a scruff. But when one's had things easy, one likes them better rough. Queenie, you loose cat!
Make the honk. Martin, dear, the clinic has confirmed that they can fit you in. You need to be dewormed, and with your last attack, you nearly filled the sack, so maybe you should go. It's only fair to say that she is rather prone to carry parasites, but there is not her own, and on the hygiene front, to be both frank and good, it's better you don't know. Although I don't wish to gripe, I don't think she'd be your type. Get Heather, we could sing her own as chorus. To get Heather, we would choose our favorite key. To get Heather, we would conquer only for chorus. Together, you can rid her of a bleed. You have to help me out, it's looking pretty good. What will become of me if she should go with him? She's gone all gooey-eyed, and I am terrified, so leave me on the shelf. Come on, then, run! Oh dear, alas, alas.